Alright, Beyond the Blue RC, and I got something to unbox today. It's the Axial SCX24 1967 Chevy C10 crawler. So, pretty cool. Obviously I got the green one. Ready to run. Comes with 2.4 gigahertz 2-channel radio system, Axial servo, Axial ESC receiver combo, a USB charger, Dynamite 88 toothbrush electric motor, Dynamite 350 mAh 2S LiPo, 7.4 volts, 4 AA batteries. I probably won't use those. I'll probably use my own. Required to complete nothing. Everything is in the box. I'm going to use my own AA's, but yeah. Pretty cool. Officially licensed by GM, which is always cool to have officially licensed product. I believe it has LEDs in it. Looks like officially licensed BF Goodrich tires and Method race wheels. That's also cool. It's a 1/24th scale electric four-wheel drive. So 1/24th scale, it comes with some other cool features. I'm just gonna show them to you all real quick, and then I'll just read it real quick. I don't really. There you go. So front and rear differentials, worm screw, worm gear setup. Has a rugged and sturdy steel C-channel frame. Looks like coil over shocks, similar to reservoirs, but not oil filled, but that's okay. I'm sure that's an upgrade you can do. Steel front and rear axles, that's cool. Front stub axles along with steel dog bones provide strength and durability to keep things running during tough climbs and rough trails. Front and rear axles consist of 2-piece molded plastic, solid axle design for optimal handling, and 3-link front and 4-link rear setup. Then the front and rear drive shafts are splined and sleeved to allow for maximum suspension travel while keeping the power to the wheels. That's pretty standard fare right there. But let's get her unboxed. Break the old seal. Not been in this yet. Actually just got this today from my local hobby shop. My local hobby town here in town. Alright. Slide her out. There's the truck. Looks like a manual with batteries and for the transmitter and some spare parts. And I'm sure the radio's in the bottom here. Slide her out. There we go. Slide that out. USB charger for the LiPo. LiPo must be in the vehicle. Looks like it comes with a roll bar chrome. Probably will install that actually. Alright. Everything's well packaged here. I'd like to see. Some bubble wrap. Bye-bye. Peel this off. So satisfying. So, a nice foam steering wheel. Looks like you load the batteries from the bottom here. This little tray flips out and then put the batteries in the bottom there. That's It's pretty easy to do. Looks like we've got some adjustments here. Got my handy cobalt diagonal pliers. Work of that. Pull this out. That's trash. And the truck should just slide right out of there like that. There you go. Pretty cool. Alright. Get to that in a minute. Connector guide. Just telling you about the various connectors that are out there. Not that big a deal to me. I've dealt with all this stuff. I already know all this, but for anyone that's new to the hobby, that's good to know information for someone that's new to this stuff. Looks like we've got some couple spare, looks like drive shafts and links, and one spare body clip in this bag. So that's cool. Batteries. And they look okay. I'll put these in something else, not this truck. And an Allen wrench, which I have tons of these I won't be using. I have good tools. So that's not that that's a bad tool, but I have other stuff that I use. So there's your USB charger. You see the cable. It connects to the computer, that then connects to the battery. Here is the roll cage that installs on the back of the truck. Looks like it just kind of screws in there from the bottom. Whoop. There that goes. Right. So it just kind of goes in here like that. And a light bar on top that goes on top. It's cool. We'll get that installed. And obviously it comes with some hardware. I'm not going to take out of the bag yet. But that's of course for this thing here. Alright, pretty straightforward. It tells you in the manual how to put the batteries in. So basically negative, positive that way, and then positive, positive. So negative is here, and then positive is there. It doesn't really tell you anywhere in there. It actually tells you, I don't know if you can see that or not, right on top of the transmitter. Yep, so let's get these installed. Alright. Doogie. Put that in like that. And we should be in business. Yep, there you go. Power indicator. Okay. So as far as the settings on here go, looks like this right here is your throttle trim knob, which was what I thought. Battery level indicator is this LED right here, obviously on-off switch. This right here is your steering trim, so that's steering trim. This is your steering dual rate, and this is what I thought it was. It's your normal reverse for your steering servo, reversing. So that's really all there is to that. So let's get into the truck real quick. All right. Let's take these body clips off real quick. Let me get this out of the way too for now. And this will just lift up and out of the way, like that. And then there's your light bulb right there. So I'm going to take that out and get that charged up. Here's your receiver and ESC combo. Switch to turn it on and off. There's your motor. Definitely metal frame, which is nice. Looks like LEDs to the front here. So that's pretty cool. Oops. And yeah, you can install another LED strip probably for the rear. Doesn't look like they have holes in the rear bumper for them, but you can just put them in the body. Just drill holes and put them in there. These real tail lights here. If I even do that, I don't know if I'm even going to do that. But yeah, pretty cool little truck. I'm liking those wheels and tires. Pretty cool. Steering servo up front here. Right over the front axle. So that should help with handling. Looks like, oh, get on there. There we go. A lot of flex. Yeah, it looks good. Alright, got the battery charged, roll bar installed. Pretty easy, just really 6 screws, 2 to attach the light bar, and then 2 here, here, and then 2 here and here, just to attach the roll bar to the actual Lexan body. Really easy, really straightforward. Small screws, I mean a little bit of a pain, but not too bad. Got a little bit of a makeshift course here. I'm going to try and do some crawling. And I did notice that they did not give any kind of nut driver to take these nuts off. To you know, if you need to take your wheels and tires off, they didn't give you anything. I mean, luckily I have a 4mm nut driver that, I mean, that is a 4mm nut. So I mean, that's good to know. That means I have this. I can take these nuts off. I mean, you can take them off with a pair of pliers, and you might scrape them if you, I mean, could come off with a pair of pliers, but you need a 4mm nut driver if you don't want to, scratch that all up. So anyway, I digress. Let's get started on this. So here we go. I have it on low right now. A couple practice runs just to kind of get a feel for it. Have the speed on low. So some pretty good articulation here. Off the edge here. Gonna have to reverse it. Not rolling off. Reverse again. Did better. I mean, I wasn't filming, but that's. Yep. Not gonna make it. Let's try that again. There we go. Make this turn. There's some articulation for you right there. Look at that. Pretty cool. And let's go back around one more time just for fun. See if I can do better. Gonna have to reverse. Come on. Come on. Nope, not gonna make it. Now we can make it. Maybe. Nope. Still not gonna make it. But I will this time. There we go. Oop. Got myself stuck. It's better when I wasn't filming. How funny is that? And I'm off the course. A little bit of body rub, but not too bad. I do have the steering rates all the way up. So for maximum steering, for a tight course. I keep doing that. I keep messing that up. Kind of a tight course here. And I'm hung up. Short or something in my light kit. That's weird. Alright, I did figure out what the problem was. This just wasn't plugged in all the way. So, there's nothing wrong with the light kit. It's fine. Just, it was going up and down on top of that servo when the suspension was moving up and down. And it was just moving that in and out of the plug on the receiver there because it wasn't plugged in all the way. So, no big deal. Good to go now. Good to go. I did notice something else too. here real quick. That these, thought these were spare drive shafts, but they're actually not, because you can see that they're really long, and then this one's really short. So I don't know if these are for some sort of, I don't know if these are for the Jeep, maybe? I don't know. I have no idea. But the links they give you, these are spare links. These do fit directly on this truck. However, these drive shafts, this one is way longer. Way longer than that one. So I'm not sure if this is to give it a lift. The directions in the book, there's no directions, there's nothing that tells you. I have to look online, I guess, and see. But I mean, why is this one so short? Look at that. So I'm not really sure what the deal is with those two drive shafts. So, kind of weird. But check out my hardware, it looks pretty good and tight. Pretty good and tight. So the only issue I had was just a loose plug in the receiver there, which isn't even, that's not a big deal. It's easy fix. So yeah. Come at this at kind of an angle here. Yeah, nope. There we go. There we go, getting better. Of course, it's low. Let's put it in medium speed here. See what happens. I have a little more wheel spin. Might actually be easier, actually. Oh yeah. Sounds funny. The suspension's a little bouncy. There's no oil in them shocks. There we go. Out of curiosity, we'll go high speed. That's high speed. Full throttle. That's full throttle. That's full speed. Alright, here we go. That's high speed. Yeah, that's little throttle management, though. We can make it work. We'll do it one more time. And high. Ooh, there's a lot of reversing going on here. And yeah. Oh boy. first until I roll it again. Come on. There we go. All right. Let's get this thing outside, I think. The most definite. Well, I think that's going to be it for this video. This is one cool little 1/24 scale rock crawler. Some nice scale details. The lights are cool. The wheels and tires are via Goodwrench and Method wheels. Very cool. Yeah, this is a cool little truck. I like it. Definitely more to come with this. Got to get it outside. Do some outside run-in with it. So, well, please hit that like button, subscribe, smash that bell, and until next time, keep on RCing out there.